Hey guys, welcome to Twins Play Show, and today we'll be cooking up some slime. Guys, hello!
We're going to be opening up some slime. So this is going to be our glue. No, I don't think that's glue. This is our glue.
Our little measuring cup.
And this is our spoon. This is our cake. So I can't wait. Actually, I don't know what color I'm going to be done today.
Our mixing sticks.
So let's get started.
Let's get this out too.
Oh, I so can't
I can't wait either.
I can't wait to infinity.
And then
wait! Okay, so what are we going to be making? What kind of slime?
we're going to be making neon slime. And
Neon slime and glow.
Oh, it glows! I can't wait to see it glow!
Okay. So we're going to open this first.
Okay, so what are you doing?
We're going to be pouring this in.
Oh, what is that?
Clear glue.
Clear glue.
Oh, this is really pretty glue.
Oh, pretty good. It is pretty clear. Because that one to the right is clear glue, and that's clear glue, but that's a lot clearer than the other clear glue. Yes, it is. All right.
Okay,
You got it all out? You made sure you scraped it?
Yes.
Okay, Shy, what's the next instruction?
Measure 25 millimeters of water.
Okay, so we need 25 milliliters of water.
Okay, start.
Okay, so Chamir put green in his. He's added the glue, the water, and the green mix. Chyla's going to start making hers. Mix it. Is it getting slimy?
Yes.
Ooh.
You have to get it to 15.
It says blend it fully.
Okay, so.
All right. So, what do you have to do next?
Get activated.
You do 5 milliliters of activator. And you put that in there and mix it. It says mix it slowly though. So you're just going to wait your turn because she has a little measuring cup. You're right over there, Shy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to scrape it off.
Okay, now he's adding his activator. He looks so serious. So serious. And Chyla is making pink slime. Oh, one of your feathers are on the table, Chyla. It's all right. Ooh. Let's see.
Come on.
Let's see how your pink is looking.
It is pretty.
It is pretty pink.
Okay, so
Okay, mix it very good.
Turn it to slime.
Oh, it's turning into slime. How cool is that?
now
It's
what's
starting to work.
Now what's what I have to do?
What was the next step? What does she have to do next?
Five, like
5 milliliters.
5 milliliters.
Yep, 5 milliliters.
Of this?
The activator.
But don't we have to do the weight?
If you want to, that makes it glow in the dark. Only a half a teaspoon, I believe.
Okay.
Oh, it's turning into slime.
Oh, you should rinse that off. It's going to get the white all pink. Wow, look at that. Ooh, can I feel it? Ooh, let me feel it. Ooh, that is so slimy. Oh my God. That is perfect. And I smacked it. Ah, look at slime. No.
Would this be good?
It's good. That's some good slime. Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
That's perfect. Yours came out very well.
Good job, Chamir.
It came out very well. It's very good. We have to see if it glows in the dark, though. We'll see.
I'm try it for now.
It's still so gluey.
Now what do we have to do?
It's a big hand with
Okay,
slime.
Okay, Sharon, what do we have to do after we do that? Put
You
the
just mix it.
activator?
Oh yeah, 5 milliliters. I forgot you did the glow in the star pod.
Oh, it goes in the dark.
You saw it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we'll have to turn the lights out. I can't wait to see it glow in the dark. I can't wait to see it glow in the dark. I can't wait.
See? So this would be 5 millimeters, right?
Yep.
Wait, I need
And just
one.
pour it in there and stir it slowly. Stir, stir, stir. Is it starting to slime up?
Yeah.
Wow! Wow! Ooey gooey, stretchy. How far does it stretch?
I don't know.
That's pretty awesome. That was good.
Come on.
Ooh,
Can I make some more?
Oops.
and a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that one too, remember?
Yeah, we can make more. We're gonna make some homemade slime
Yeah, this.
with our borax and our glue. Oh, can I fill yours? I can't wait.
Okay,
You guys did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Dance time. Dance time, dance time, dance time, dance time, dance time, dance time. Go there, 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 there. Freeze. Dance. Dance time, dance time, dance time. Freeze. Okay, you can finish your slime.
Okay, I get it.
Okay.
Mine is sticky though.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's stuck in the feathers.
Wait.
We got feathery slime. Uh-oh.
That probably would have been cool.
Oh, I want to feel yours. Can I feel? Let me see. It's so sticky.
Warning, it's pretty sticky.
Ah! 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 It's so sticky.
Okay.
Look at that slime. It's pretty though.
I kind of pulled it a little bit.
Sticky. Sticky. Icky.
Well, we know not to do that.
Look at that. Look. Whoa. Awesome.
Can I
Here you
fill
go.
this? Here, you can fill my cup.
Here you go.
Oh.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh,
It's still on there. Ew.
I gotta
cut this.
We're about
open.
to cut that open.
Okay, we're gonna cut this open.
I'm
Let's
super
see.
scared.
I wonder if it's slime in there. Be
Oh.
careful, guys.
Ready?
Oh, please don't cut his finger. Oh no. Oh no. I wonder what's in there. I can't wait till it's cut.
Hold on.
I wonder if it's like runny or sticky or gooey ooey. You guys need help?
I'm gonna have to do it through this way because that part won't cut, right?
Oh, look at that. A little easier. It squirted everywhere!
Let's put it.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god, it squirted everywhere!
Oh.
What is it like? Is it like water? Oh my goodness! Oh, it's straight like water. There's no type of slime to it. Hey,
Let's cut it open.
I wonder if we add a little bit of glue and activator, will it do anything?
Wait, can we
Okay, let's
try
try
it?
it.
Okay, okay.
Wait, I got the glue. We
So we
added
put
activator and glue,
And
and
we're
it
gonna
turned out to be like this.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of it?
It's good, but it
It's-
stinks.
Oh,
let's
test it.
smell it.
Oh my!
It smells like rotten cheese.
It smells like vinegar.
Oh. I can't believe how that splashed out like that.
I know, it like sputtered everywhere.
Everywhere. But you guys think that it came out all right?
Yeah.
It was fun.
I didn't think it was going to be that runny.
This
I mean, I
is
knew it
what I
was going to be liquidy.
This is what I least expected.
I know. Okay, next we're going to open the potty. We're going to open the potty. Open the potty. Open the
Shannon, would you like
potty.
to do the honors?
Open the potty. Open the potty. Open the potty.
Oh. Oh, the potty. show you in peace.
So what does it feel like?
Okay, ready? You break.
Oh, it's very stretchy.
Goodness.
Oh. What does it feel like? I heard it.
Hard.
You know what's special about that? Oh, I wish we had a magnet. It's magnetic.
Maybe we do.
It's magnetic.
Oh, yeah,
That would be so cool.
magnets.
We do have magnets.
I don't think we have one.
I wish we had magnets so we could like.
Yeah, I heard the magnet to like pull it.
Yeah. And
That'll
it
be
was
cool.
like-
We'll have to go
it
get
was-
some. We'll have to go get some. I wonder how far it can stretch. Oh,
Oh, you ready? Let's do a contest. Here, ready? First, let's do yours. Ready? I'll grab one side.
what happened?
Okay, so it's just to show you.
I like the putty, but I like the slime better.
I think that was.
What do you guys like?
I like the slime better. I love the putty, but I love the putty, but I like the slime.
I like putty better.
Let us know below. Comment below what you guys like better.
Yeah. Okay, so let's put the putty back in.
All right, we're going to put the putty back in and make our homemade.